The future of personal tech might not sit in your pocket anymore, it could sit on your shirt or your finger. The rise of the AI pin and smart rings is changing everything. And after seeing the latest leaks, it's clear, the smartphone era might finally be ending. Let's dive in. So, what exactly is an AI pin? It's a wearable device that clips to your clothes and uses a built-in camera, microphone, and AI assistant to handle everything your phone does, without a screen. The latest prototypes from Humane and Rabbit show that these pins can take calls, answer texts, translate languages, and even identify objects around you, all through voice and projection. Imagine pointing at something and your AI instantly gives you the info you need. That's next level. Now combine that with the rise of smart rings. We're talking about rings from companies like Samsung, Aura, and Ultrahuman, all fighting to become your next go-to wearable. These rings track your sleep, heart rate, workouts, and even early signs of stress or illness. And the new generation coming in 2025 will include gesture control, meaning you'll be able to scroll, tap, and swipe in the air without touching a screen. If you think that sounds futuristic, it gets crazier. According to new leaks, Samsung's Galaxy Ring might integrate directly with their Galaxy AI system, letting you control your entire ecosystem from your hand. That means smart home control, calls, and notifications, all without ever pulling your phone out. And while Apple hasn't announced a ring yet, insiders suggest the company is developing a similar device to pair with Apple Vision and future Apple Watch models. Imagine unlocking your Mac or paying for something by just raising your hand. No screen, no button, just seamless interaction. The AI pin and smart ring combo could mark the beginning of screenless tech. Instead of being glued to your phone, you'll interact naturally, talking, gesturing, and letting AI anticipate what you need. This isn't science fiction. It's already here, and 2025 might be the year it takes off. One of the biggest reasons this trend is catching fire is fatigue. People are tired of staring at screens. The average American checks their phone over 140 times a day. Tech companies know that, and they're designing gadgets to give us freedom from constant scrolling. But will this really replace smartphones? Not yet, but it's heading that way. The AI pin still relies on cloud connectivity, and smart rings can't fully replace cameras or apps yet. However, in the next 2 years, we might see hybrid systems, where your phone becomes the backup, and your wearables take over day-to-day interactions. The real shift isn't just hardware, it's behavior. As AI gets smarter, it's less about touching tech and more about talking to it. Imagine walking into a store, and your AI pin quietly tracks your grocery list, checks prices, and pays automatically. That's the direction we're moving in. So, are smartphones dying? Not today, but the writing's on the wall. Devices like the Humane AI Pin, Rabbit R1, and Galaxy Ring are early signs of a massive transformation. The next generation of personal tech is smaller, smarter, and invisible, and we might not even realize how fast it's coming. So what do you think? Would you trade your smartphone for a wearable AI setup? Drop your answer in the comments. And if you love staying ahead of the tech curve, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Because here on Digital Dive, we're always exploring the future of tech, before it becomes mainstream.